For this week's Tuesday Tech Tip, we're going to be talking about an item that most of us do not use, but probably is something that we can all get a lot of benefit from, and that's what's called the Microsoft Clipboard. And we're going to dive into that for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. As always, I'm Curtis Hyde, and I'm with Colorado Computer Support. So what the Windows Clipboard is, it allows you to copy numerous things into a clipboard and then open a document and then select where you want each item to be pasted. So that way you're not jumping from screen to screen to cut, copy, and paste many different items. So you can see on this web page right here, I'm just going to copy numerous lines over and over and over again. I'm just going to copy it and hit Control C to about 3 or 4 of these. Now what I'm going to do is open up this Microsoft Word document. It can be anything. I just use Microsoft Word for the demonstration. And instead of hitting Control V to paste it, I'm going to hit Windows V. And it's going to pop up the clipboard. So inside of that clipboard has all those items I just individually copied, and I can actually select where I want those to be pasted inside of a document all at the same time, compared to having jumping from window to window and doing that over and over again. So this is called the Microsoft Clipboard. I hope it helps you out next time you need to move or cut, copy, and paste quite a few things. However, if you do run into some daily IT business problems that are driving you nuts inside of your office, we'd love to chat with you to see if we could potentially help you out and be the partner to fix that. Once again, we're Colorado Computer Support. You can always find us at 719-439-0599 or on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, I appreciate you joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I hope you enjoy the Microsoft Clipboard, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much.